Hello guys, this is Pearly Gardener, targeted individual Australia mind control victim since birth. Just an update guys. Today is the, oh my god, here we go. Today is the 28th of July and it's Tuesday today, and I've finished my cleaning at my client in Melbourne Street, not in Victoria, in Concord. So this is a message to my handler and to the Hive Mind team. So I don't know what you're trying to verify about my fear with dogs, because it hasn't been verified yet about that I fear the big dogs, you know, the big dogs. Okay, so today I know it was a situational scenario. I know it was a situational scenario because when I was there, Kylie said, "Oh, I have to take the dogs out, and then I have to come back and leave them for an hour." I think an hour or something. So what happened? I was inside her house, and the two dogs were out, Mac and Coco. And what happened was, what you call? So when I finished, while I was cleaning inside. The neighbor came out. I don't know if she's lesbian, but she looked like lesbian, because when I arrived there, there was a pickup truck that was parked in front of me when I parked my car on the driveway of Kylie. Okay. So what happened was, she said something like, "Oh, can you move your car because I'm leaving," she said. So I have to move the car, right? So I went outside the house, closed the gate, and then so when the lady left, I was thinking like, "Oh my God, am I going to call Kylie because of the dogs?" She has two dogs, like Mac and Coco. I don't know the breed. They're different breed, the dog. So I said, "Oh no, I'm going inside," I said. So I went inside, and I will upload the video. The surveillance team already got the copy of that video, because they are God. Everything in my iCloud, in my phone, they have a copy. Okay. Everything, they monitor my email, messenger, everything, WhatsApp, name it. Okay. Edward Snowden, NSA CIA whistleblower about privacy. You think there is privacy? No such thing as privacy, guys. Anyways, that's just the update with my Hive Mind team, with my handler. For sure, my handler is a neuroscientist, psychologist, psychiatrist, behavioral neuroscientist, whatever. So that's the update to my handler and to the Hive Mind team. I don't know. It hasn't been verified yet. What is still there for you to verify about my fear of dogs? And segue, guys. I have my $2.50 latte at the shop. Day and night. Was it day and night? Day and night, 7 days, day and night. I don't know convenience store, okay, at Main Street. And this one, I bought this one yesterday, so I have to eat this one now with the coffee. My red bean, sesame red bean, okay, whatever this is. So that's the update, guys. And to my cyber perp minion, to the Australian signatory, ASD, Australian Signal Directorate, whoever is the cyber perp minion, why is it that I cannot upload now my video on my YouTube? Unbelievable. I only have like 357 subscribers, and for sure those are all bloody perps. I don't know how many are real TI subscriber on my YouTube channel, and I can't even upload now on my YouTube. You just censor everything, and you've been doing as well like beta programming. When you say beta programming, it got something to do with sex, okay? And I'm trying to find the video of Dr. Catherine Horton about about this thing about electronic rape or whatever, like, you know, because I'm pretty sure that I'm microchipped. I'm pretty sure, like, I'm microchipped. I cannot, like, go to have an ultrasound here somewhere in Australia, because these are all my medical COINTELPRO compromise bloody doctors or health professionals, really. Yeah. Anyway, I don't have any intention to find out. Do whatever you want, because you're God with this small letter G. Anyway, that's the what you call it, the update, guys. The Hive Mind team can't figure it out. What else? More verification for my fear of dog. What synaptic emotional response they want from me? More response statistics. So I don't know. Anyway, that's all, and God bless everyone, and that includes the minions and the sheeples. Okay, guys, if you think you are part of the secret society, and if you think the Bondi massacre was actually real and the moon landing was real, I don't think so. You're not part of the secret society. They only want 500 million to live on planet Earth. I don't know, maybe Armageddon will come soon before that. So go, you need to do your own research. A Call for an Uprising.com and his YouTube channel, A Call for an Uprising, and also RSE. And for all the targeted individual, globalgestapo.com by Dr. Eric Karlstrom. And for the silent weapons that they use on us, 5G, 6G is coming, chemtrails in our air, GMO in our foods, smart meters for their illegal surveillance. You can log on to fullertoninformer.com by Sir Embriano, Joe Embriano. God bless everyone, and until next update.